Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what this means. We're doing our hair, and today we are installing a U-part wig, a V-part wig. Y'all, I am obsessed with U-parts and V-parts. I only wish that my hair was braided down because that'll make this install like a million times better, but it's not. So I'm just carving out the parting area, which is my leave out, and then I'm going to pin up the back of my hair since it's not braided down. But when I tell you, these V parts and U part wigs really be saving my life, because when I need something done to my hair expeditiously, this is what works for me right now, especially when I need length and my hair is too dirty to actually like straighten and put clip-ins in. This is the way to go. And the V part that I'm wearing today is from Junoda hair. This is the Kinky straight V part wig. It is 22 inches and 150% density, so the density on this is perfect. I didn't straighten the hair, all I did was wash it and blow dry it, but straightened, the texture will be so bomb because it's extremely soft, so I know it was straightened well. But today we're actually going to crimp it, so I'm just pulling out the hair that I'm leaving out on my sides because we're taking it back. I was gonna braid my edges. You remember how I used to like braid my edges and pull it back? But your girl can't braid. Like, I tried to braid this hair and it did not work out. So we're gonna do twisties and you'll see.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been.
Y'all remember these like flat twists? I used to get my hair like this all the time, like middle school, high school. Um, and I know I'm not too sure in twisting it. I'm literally just taking my hair and twisting it, and then I'm just gonna bobby pin it back to make sure that it doesn't unravel. And when I put these bobby pins in, I'm actually puncturing the wig so I know for a fact it's not gonna slip, because that'll be embarrassing, right?
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. Na. When you walk out, na. Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets.
So this is what it looks like. Super easy to do. I should have pulled the twist all the way to the middle, but y'all, I was struggling. So I'm just gonna lay my edges down really quickly, and I'm gonna go in with my deep waver. This deep waver I'm using is so old, I don't even have a link for it, but you can use any kind of like crimper or waver to achieve this look.
You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward. Give me all the work, 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 work. You tell me I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. In the character, my church, 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 church.
Am I the only one that dances when their hair is like turning out how they wanted it to? Because literally all I've been doing to my hair is putting on these wigs and U parts, wearing a ponytail. Like, y'all know I'm trying to get my hair together. So low manipulation is really what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to give my hair a break. Okay. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to link all of Junondo's hair information in the description box, as well as a 15% off coupon code. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.